Hello YouTube, this is John. This video I'm going to quickly show you how to fix your keyboard keys. This is something that happens when your laptop gets a lot of dirt inside it. It's not a software problem and it's not a hardware problem here. It's just that we have to clean it inside, as I'm going to show you. So right now here I have issues with the keyboard keys. This key is not working. Also the B plus I can't do, when I press these other keys, I can't do Control A to select. It will always bring back the, I can't do any. So I'm going to go ahead and switch off this laptop without saving anything. Switch off the laptop so that we go ahead and I show you how to resolve this issue. So in the process of switching off, you have to wait for it to fully close. Then you remove off the power port. Then after, you have to wait for it to go off completely. It has gone off. Then the next thing, I've opened the screws. Have to make sure I open the screws, and this is a Toshiba laptop, and this process could work on other laptops. Just that you have to know where every screw is. Then I'm going to remove the CD-ROM first, plus I have unscrewed the battery. In our case here, I have to move it gently. Then when I reach here, I'm going to do, I've already moved the screws inside. Then I'm going to go ahead and open this here. So what we have here is something very simple. I'm going to plug out this. Then after I try to remove it, give it some little energy, very little. Then when you reach here, you're going to get something a clean cloth or serviette. Then you put a small dot of water, very little. You don't have to make sure. You make sure you don't put it in the computer. Then someone is going to hold for me the camera very quickly here. I show you how you clean it. So this part here that you see, you get a dot of water, then you clean this part very safely. You don't have to use any energy. You clean this part very well. So after cleaning it, you take it back the way it was, slowly, gently. Then after, you push this backwards, push it backwards so that it locks very well. Now here it has locked the way it has to be. Yes, now we are good to go. As you can see, you have to clean your laptop and make sure you don't blow this part when you're cleaning the laptop to bring some noise on the fan. So we put back our laptop parts. So they're going to hold for me. Though I'm not going to put back the screws. Then I put back the CD-ROM very quickly. Then I'll put back the screws later. Then I'm going to test if that resolves our problem. And then I'm going to start the computer after everything. So what you see here, it's going to bring, so what you see here, it's going to take you that, it's going to tell you that the battery was removed. So you're going to click that, click escape, click enter. Then the laptop is going to start. I'm going to pause the video and wait for it to go to the other side. So after turning on your computer, we are going to open our Microsoft Word and test and see if everything works very well. And this is just a quick video on how to fix the keyboard keys. Now you're going to see if all keys are working. I'm going to open my Word document. This is not, I'm going to activate it later. So when you reach here, we have I've zoomed my Microsoft Word to this so that everyone can see very clearly. I'm going to enter these digits, as you can see. A, S, D, all the keys are working. And last time these keys were not working, and now they are working. The enter was not working, space was not working. So this resolves our issue. And also control A was not working. As you can see, it's now selecting everything. And this was just a quick video on how to fix your keyboard. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful video like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.